So good evening, everyone. So my name is Anil Nair. I am the founder and CEO of AI Cord, and I have 2 decades of experience in IT. So this is something which came to my mind while I was building many solutions in the past company, and we wanted to help how enterprises or organizations can become a smart digital enterprise using multi-AI agents. Okay, now AI agents is a new concept. How do we build multi-AI agents or AI agents very quickly? This is what we wanted to provide to enterprises using this platform. Now, everyone knows what is AI agent. Now, what is multi-AI agent? In future, the way we see it is that today, when we need to get things done, we actually talk to people and each other and get the things done right. In future, AI agents are going to talk to each other. That's the multi-AI agent part. And all these things are done using no code. I think that's the most important element of this platform, that you can build multi-AI agents without writing a single piece of code. Moving on, I don't want to talk about the challenges. Everyone knows why this is needed, so I'll skip that part. So what are we doing? We are building multi-agent framework for every function in an enterprise. So you have various functions in an organization, be it operations, HR, support. All these requires a lot of human capital, right? Now, how AI agents can help in during the peaks and lows, how AI agents can help in making that more efficient. This is what the platform is building. This is not replacing any of the ERP system. This is not replacing HRMS system. How we help is how AI agents will augment or help people in the company to make things more efficient and speed up things. Now, this is the architecture. I'll skip that. Now, we have 2 models. If I talk about use cases, you can look at use cases like, let's say, medical representative getting a nudge from an AI agent that, okay, you have missed out a target for this month and you are short by 8%. The AI agent is helping them in identifying that these are the 8 doctors you need to target, and these are the products that you want to sell, right? This is one example of use case. Similarly, let's say there is a government which want to use this. So there is there are crises which are happening around the world, right? Imagine if the AI agent is monitoring the entire crisis around the globe and giving nudges to the government to take actions or even enterprises. So, for example, suddenly if the tariff was increased by US government, how does your organization impact because of those changes? Now, these are the things which the platform can do automatically. So we built 2 models. One is a PaaS model, which is for enterprises, where we build custom solutions, whereas we have a SaaS model where we have already pre-integrated 12 to 15 products which are live, which can be used, and this is the actual platform screen. We actually use 50% of my work happens on mobile using this platform within my organization. So we also use it. So we have launched almost 12 to 15 products in the market today with the likes of in each functions. HRMS function, operation functions, sales and marketing functions, even video generation is one of the products that we provide. Now, why did we start this SaaS model? Is because there are many MSMEs, startups, the whole community is here. A lot of startups and MSMEs, they need a lot of technology help, and they are not able to procure that because of high cost, because of skill gaps. Now, this is where this SaaS platform helps in a very minimal cost. They can actually start using this entire suite, okay, whichever product they want to utilize from there. Now, one of the most important thing is how fast these AI agents can be built in using the platform. We have built AI agents within 2 weeks of time and launched and went live. So that's how fast we can build. Most important is this is multilingual, so you can talk to the AI agent and actually get the things done. And it supports 22 Indian languages and major international languages. It is mobile ready. Like I mentioned, I use 50% of my work on the go using this platform, so it is mobile ready as well. Moving on. So business model is subscription based. There are many organizations who face this challenge that they have to pay for each AI agent separately, and when they collect or accumulate all these AI agents, it becomes very, very costly. So what we are provided is a subscription based model, so that you can pay as you go. If your volumes are less, you will pay less. If your volumes are high, you will pay high. So that's a model that we have built for enterprise to get benefited from. Last year we clocked 1.5 CR. This year we clocked 4 CR. And we are already EBITDA positive and cash flow positive as well.
What are the social benefits of this venture?
So when I look at India as a country, we have 30% of SMEs contributing to the GDP, 30% of the GDP, and how do we benefit, how do we help startup ecosystem to grow them? This is what we thought. And one of the main things Mr. Ramdurai says is that many people will be there for enterprises, not for smaller organizations. So we want to ensure that we help these smaller organizations to grow using technology. That's the intention.
Are there any numbers on operating cost in terms of from LLM perspective and other perspective? What is the operating cost that organizations are facing?
Yeah. So first thing is that LLM costs are more if we are actually calling their APIs. We don't do that. What we have done is we have taken LLM models on our server, fine-tuned it, and that's how we are providing the solution. In fact, we are not just sticking with one LLM model. We have a plug-and-play model. When DeepSeek came into market, we actually took that, and because of the cost factor, we tested it, and it's working beautifully. So if the regulatory issues are not there, we'll try to use that also to pass on the benefits to our customers.